Good morning, kindergarten friends. It's Mrs. Opfer and it's Monday, March 16th. I'm so glad you could join me for today's writing workshop lesson. We're going to review our how-to anchor chart and start working on a new how-to procedural writing story. Let's get started. Okay, writers, I have my 4-step how-to paper, my pencil, and lots of twistables and colored pencils and crayons to add some beautifully detailed illustrations to my story. Let's review our procedural or how-to anchor chart. We want to write about something that is an expert topic. We'll make a list of the materials needed. We can use order words like first, next, then, before, after, and finally. We can use detailed drawings to show how to do the job. We can include action words like brush, cover, cut, roll, give, mix, and lots more. The first thing I'm going to do is write my name at the top. Name at the top, please. All right, my name is at the top of my paper. Now I'm going to take some thinking time to decide on a topic for my story. And parents, you can pause the video here and give your writers some thinking time to self-select a how-to topic. All right, I've decided on my topic and I'm going to stretch the sounds and write the sounds I hear for my title. How to paint a rainbow. Now to paint a rainbow, I know that I'll need paper, paint, a brush. Oh, and I definitely want to add some fluffy clouds. So I'm going to write cotton balls and glue. Okay. Let's use an order word for step 1. First, 1 finger space, paint the curves in the right color order. And I'm going to add, you've got it, period at the end. Okay, I think I might stop there and just do a quick sketch. Then I can come back and add some more details later. But a quick sketch will help me to stay on track with thinking about each step in the teaching process. Red, orange, yellow. Yep, you knew it. Green. Where is my favorite color of all time? There we go. Okay, just a quick sketch. Let's go to step 2. Here's another important order word. Next. Next. draw the cloud shapes. Okay, so maybe I'll just do a quick outline of some cloud shapes. There, that's great. Wow, I've really been focused. I already have my name, a title, my materials list, and my first 2 steps with quick sketches. Wow, keep up the good work, writers. Let's go to step 3. Then, okay, painted the curves in the right color order. I drew the cloud shapes. What should I do then, writers? Think about it. Turn and tell a grown-up. What should I do then? Oh, okay, I've got it. Glue the cotton balls on top of the cloud shapes. Period at the end. Okay, so, maybe I'm going to draw my glue bottle. That's a good tool, I think. And then that's kind of showing glue the reader, because we're writing to teach. That's showing the reader that they need to get their bottle of glue. Okay, that's good. First, paint the curves in the right color order. Next, draw the cloud shapes. Then, glue the cotton balls on top of the cloud shapes. Let's see. Last, oh, I know what could be really pretty. Add some background details. Oh, that could be so nice. So I'll show my rainbow again. Red, orange. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller this time so that I can add some of those pretty background details. And I think that pictures always look the best if they have 5 colors and 5 details, or more. So that might be my goal for my pictures today. No, I just need a lighter purple. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I think I'm gonna do maybe gray for my clouds. Okay. Now I'm kind of in a St. Patrick's Day, kind of a leprechaun mood. So maybe I'll put a little pot of gold. That could be fun. At the end of the rainbow. That would be a nice detail. And maybe the rainbow came out after a storm. Ooh, like the storm in Henry Mudge and the Wild Wind from our reading lesson. Maybe I need some beautiful sky, just with a light touch. I like that. I definitely think it would look brighter though if I colored in all of the curves of my rainbow. So I think that's going to be a job I'm going to want to finish today. That's a good start though. That will remind me when I have my independent writing time that I can come back and do that on my own. I definitely need to add some more details to my pictures, but it's a good start. It's a good start for sure. So I chose an expert topic. I do love to paint rainbows. I listed my materials. I used my order words. I started on my pictures. Let's see. did I include any action words? I'm gonna see if I can highlight some action words. Let's see. Oh, paint. That's an action word. I'm gonna highlight that. Paint. Let's see. Ooh, draw. That's an action word. Highlight that. Glue. That's an action word. Oh, go me. Wow, I'm very proud of myself. And last, add. That's an action word or verb. Wow, this is a great goal today for you writers, is to include at least one action word in each step of your story. I hope I gave you some great writing inspiration. So writers, now it's time for you to have some independent writing time. I'd like you to look at the how-to anchor chart from this video and work on a 4-step how-to story of your own. See if you can set a timer and think, write, and draw for 15 to 20 minutes on your own. And then when the timer goes off, a grown-up can help you add some details or words for about 5 to 10 minutes. Great job, writers. I'll see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.